Say what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Juice, juic.ee with the Hemi. Yeah, that's what my name gonna be, Juice with the Hemi. Back with that brand new vid, got new lights, and in today's video, y'all, I'm gonna be getting my windows tinted. I'm gonna show y'all, the before. I let you see it straight through, and then the after, when it's 15%. I decided to go 15% all the way around, and then I got a little strip on the top. So y'all gonna see how all that look, and I'm gonna tell y'all what place I got it at and how much they charge me. So what I want y'all to do is comment down below if y'all think it's a good deal or a bad deal, based on where y'all got y'all windows tinted at. But yeah, let me know, and yeah, just watch the video. Chill in. Okay, YouTube, yeah, let me zoom out for y'all real quick. So as y'all can see, there's no tint whatsoever on here. Boy, this new iPhone killer, boy. But there's no tint whatsoever. And you can literally see straight through. If I'm picking my nose in there, you'll see. Even from the back, yeah. I got all this tint going on right here. I might as well tint up there. Got to. And then y'all gonna see the wheels. I'm gonna smoke it all the way out. But yeah, this is a before. Before. Just showing y'all how it look. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, that's how we looking again. I'm up here at Stereo Advantage. Stereo Advantage on East Washington Street. They're about to get me together up over here. So yeah, Stereo Advantage. Let's see how they look after those. Before again. So what I decided to do is tint my sides and then get a little strip on the top. A little black strip up top. So yeah, we're gonna see how it look though. Let's go. All right, we are back. Y'all ready to see? 3, 2, 1. Boom. 15%. I already smoked out the headlights. 15% all the way around, and I got a little strip on the top. 15%. 15. You can't see nothing. 15% on the whip. You can't see. That look good on that tinted out tail light, baby. 15. Yeah, that's sweet. That's sweet. Look at it again from the front. And then a little strip on top. Boom ya. Yes, sir. 15% tint, y'all. And they charged me $150 altogether. Come on down, Stereo Advantage. East Washington, Indianapolis, Indiana. $150, baby. 15%. And it was $150 plus 30 on top, so like $180 altogether. And that's what I paid. Now I'm gonna show y'all how I look on the inside. Damn, motherfucker, I ain't have to sit my car. The hell they sit this seat up here. This would have been one of them little short niggas, boy. I'm 6'2", baby. Sheesh. Hold on, let me shut the door. Let's shut it, gonna hop up in here like, damn, G. Yeah, so this is how I look in daytime. It look like you can see straight through, but bro, you cannot. Trust and believe me. Trust me and believe me. Cannot. Do not roll windows down for 3 to 5 days. Make sure you follow them instructions when you do it, because you will fuck up your tint. But this look pretty good though, man. I can't complain. I cannot complain, bro. I like that little strip on top. That bad boy looks so hard, boy. Yeah, y'all, but leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. That wraps it up for the video. Oh, hold on, let me turn the camera around. Yeah, everybody, that wraps it up for the video. Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, and subscribe, baby. It's the Juice team. We going all the way up to the top, baby. So let me know what y'all think. I'm getting hot as hell in this bit. About to go ahead and take a little ride. Slow roll down some little shorties with the little tent or whatever. But yeah, y'all, stay tuned. More videos dropping. Stay tuned, baby. So yeah, y'all, till then, I'm out. Peace. I just want to show y'all one more time as I'm riding how it look. I just love this tint, y'all. Coming from literally being able to be seen through this car to like, I don't even feel the sun on me. Like, bro, no cap, 15% with the little strip on top. I feel no heat, no cap. Like, I don't feel no heat coming in. So this is definitely the move to go with If you do want to tint your windows, just as I said, Stereo Advantage on East Washington Street. This is the way to go, baby. Yes, sir. Just wanted to show y'all one more time, as I said. All right, y'all.